Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel where I share tips and tricks on how to make money online. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 ways to turn $500 into passive income. Passive income is money that you earn without having to work actively for it. It's a great way to supplement your income, save for your goals, or even quit your job someday. So let's get started. The first way to turn $500 into passive income is to invest in dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that pay out a portion of their profits to their shareholders on a regular basis. You can buy dividend stocks through a brokerage account or an app like Robinhood or Webull. The advantage of dividend stocks is that you can earn money from both the dividends and the appreciation of the stock price over time. The downside is that you need to do some research and analysis to pick the right stocks, and there is always a risk of losing money if the market goes down. The second way to turn $500 into passive income is to create a digital product. A digital product is something that you create once and sell online over and over again. It could be an ebook, a course, a software, a podcast, or anything else that people are willing to pay for. You can create a digital product using your skills, knowledge, or passion, and sell it on platforms like Amazon, Udemy, Shopify, or your own website. The advantage of creating a digital product is that you have full control over your product and pricing, and you can reach a global audience. The downside is that you need to spend time and effort to create a high-quality product, and you need to market it effectively to attract customers. The third way to turn $500 into passive income is to start a blog. A blog is a website where you write articles on a specific topic or niche that you are interested in or knowledgeable about. You can start a blog using platforms like WordPress, Blogger, or Medium. The advantage of starting a blog is that you can express yourself creatively, build an audience, and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. The downside is that you need to write consistently and provide valuable content to your readers. You can make money from your blog by displaying ads, promoting affiliate products, selling your own products or services, or accepting donations. The fourth way to turn $500 into passive income is to buy an existing online business. An online business is any business that operates on the internet, such as an e-commerce store, a dropshipping store, a niche website, or an app. You can buy an existing online business from platforms like Flippa, Empire Flippers, or FA International. The advantage of buying an existing online business is that you can skip the hassle of starting from scratch and leverage the existing traffic, revenue, and customer base. The downside is that you need to do due diligence and verify the legitimacy and profitability of the business before buying it, and you need to manage and grow the business after buying it. The fifth way to turn $500 into passive income is to lend money on peer-to-peer platforms. Peer-to-peer lending is a form of crowdfunding where you lend money to individuals or businesses who need it for various purposes, such as personal loans, business loans, or real estate loans. You can lend money on peer-to-peer platforms like Lending Club, Prosper, or Funding Circle. The advantage of lending money on peer-to-peer platforms is that you can earn interest on your money and diversify your portfolio. The downside is that you need to assess the risk and creditworthiness of the borrowers, and there is always a chance of default or late payments. So these are 5 ways to turn $500 into passive income. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know which way you are going to try out first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.